So we're here live at the Como River, and to promote and talk about our upcoming Udemy Photography Entrepreneurship course, I wanted to ask Eric, can you and how can you make money from photography?
So you can, yes, make money from photography. My practical suggestion is treat yourself like a premium brand. Don't be a Walmart photographer. Today's day and age, there's so many people doing cheap jobs in photography. My suggestion is spend a long time building a relationship with your client and charge premium bucks. So my practical suggestion is charge 25% more than you think you should and charge 25% more than your competition. The reason why this is a good strategy is that it'll actually help you make real money as a photographer. Also, another way you can make money in photography is not to just be a technician, meaning be a wedding or a commercial photographer. You could become a YouTube vlogger. You could teach photography workshops. You could sell your own photography products. So realize that there's not only one way to monetize as a photographer. So the two things I would actually recommend, it boils down to selling your services as a photographer and also selling products as a photographer. I think the second category as selling products is an untapped market in photography. So whether that be making your own photography books or zines or selling your own presets, selling your own video courses on education, ways that you could sell products as a photographer, I think is the way of the future.
All right, so sign up for our course, link in description. Thank you.